I think the really important thing is, technology doesn't, we don't believe technology replaces, human beings. Technology is there to serve us. Technology is there to make our lives better. And if you look over the course of history, yes, there are evil people that have done bad things with technology or tried to do bad things with technology. But, by and large, the majority of us are trying to, look at ways to make the imperfect world in which we live in a little bit better. We think about the world of, education and healthcare. Going into COVID, we didn't have enough healthcare workers and we didn't have enough teachers in the world. Okay, and both of those sectors have had to come to grips with the world of digital. In a really, really big way. And over the last 2 years, our kids have had 2 years of digital education. And I'm not saying I'm certainly not sitting here that's saying a good thing, the ability to sit around in a classroom with kids. But we have had to figure out new ways to solve problems which are only got bigger in the world that we have today. So, these are some of the things that really fascinate us in terms of what happens next.